Good morning, children. My name is Shravanti. I am your mathematics teacher. Today, math class of 5th class. So, what is the first chapter? Larger numbers. Already previous class we discussed about 3 exercises. Today we discuss about international place value chart. Already we discussed international place value chart. But what is the difference of this? So here once a billions periods extra. So we know that how many periods? This is periods. This is periods column. Okay. So how many ones? Thousands, millions, billions. So here in this periods, in this chart, 4 divided into 4 periods. Divided into 4 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay now. In this chart, divided into 4 periods. So ones under 3 place values. What are they? These are place values. These are place values. Ones under 3 place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next, thousands, hundred also 3 place values is there. Ma? What are they? Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Next, millions under 3 place values also is there. Ma? Million, 10 millions, 100 millions. Million, 10 million, 100 millions. Million, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay. Next, billions under also 3 place values. No? Billions, 10 millions, 100 billions. So ones means 1, tens means 10, 10. Hundreds means 100, 100. Next, thousands means 1,000, 1,000. Next, 10,000s means 10, 1, 0, comma, 000. Next, 100,000 means 100, comma, 000. Millions. Millions means 1, comma, 000, 000. Next, 10 millions means 10, comma, 000, comma, 000. Next, 100 millions means 100, comma, 000, comma, 000. Next, billions means 1, comma, 000, comma, 000, comma, 000. Next, 10 millions means 10, comma, 000, comma, 000, comma, 000. Next, 100 billions means 100, comma, 000, comma, 000, comma, 000. So, ones under also 3 place values, thousands under also 3 place values, millions under also 3 place values, billions under also 3 place values. Okay. Total here 12 place values is there. So, comparison of Indian place value and international place value system. Here 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. This is lakhs. 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. Next, 10 lakhs is equals to 1 billion. Next, 1 crore is equals to 10 million. 10 crore is equals to 100 million. Okay. 100 crore is equals to 1 billion. 100 crore is equals to 1 billion. 10 crore is equals to 100 million. Next, 1 crore is equals to 10 millions. 10 lakh is equals to 1 million. 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. This is the difference of Indian and international place value chart. All of you write this in your notes. Okay. Next. Exercise, no? Exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. So what is the first bit now? Mark the commas to show the international periods. So what is the first bit? Mark the commas to show the international periods. So first one, what is the first number? 96654 502. So in each. So here is given 3 numbers. You write the international place value periods. So here 5 is there. So this is which position is there? You write the place value. So 0, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 6, 5. So 5 which position is there? 10 million position is there. 5 which position is there? 10 million. Place value of 5 is equals to 50 millions. 50 millions. Okay. Next, second one. What is the second problem? 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, 8, 6. So write this number now. 6, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 765 millions 321,086. So here 5 which place value is in Anna? Which place having 5? So millions place. You write the place value of 5 is equals to millions place. 5 comma 000 comma 000. Next, third one. What is the third one? This is the third question now. 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the third one. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So 95 billions, 432 millions, 101,234. So what we want? We want place value of 5. So which digits now? 50 billions. 50 billions. 50 billions. 50 billions. Sorry, 5 billions. 5 billions. Okay, this is the billions place now. Okay, this is the second bit. Okay, let's start with now right now. So what is the third bit now? So what is the third bit? Right? 2 comma 746 436 464 in expanded form. In expanded form. So here is given one number nana. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. 2 billion 746 millions 476,764. 2 billion 746 millions 476,764. Now write the expanded form. 2 billions. 2 comma 000 comma 000 comma 000 plus 700 millions. 700 comma 000 comma 000 plus 40 millions. 40 comma 000 comma 000 plus 6 millions. 6 comma 000 comma 000 plus 400,000. 400,000 plus 70,000. 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 746 millions 476,764. So I am writing here expanded form of these number. Okay, next bit. What is the next bit, ma? What is the next bit? Write the number names in international system. Write the number names. Write the number names in international system. Here I am writing one number. Remaining to you only do. So what is the first one? 1, 5, 9, 7, 6, 3, 4, 2. So first of all you put the commas. What is this number? You find it after you write the number name. So 2, 4, 3, comma 6, 7, 9, comma 15. So 15 billions 976,342. So 15 billion millions 15 millions 15 millions 976 thousands 342. This is the number name of these number. Okay. Next. Second one. What is the second one, ma? Okay. First of all, you put the commas. What is the number you find out? Afterwards, you write the number name. So 591 millions 875,920. You write the number name. Same next number also. As it is, you write the number name. So this is the today class. Remaining tomorrow we will discuss.